Hello. Today we will learn about the phrase drool over somebody. It means to admire or be attracted to someone a lot. You use it when someone looks at another person with strong interest. For example, she drools over her favorite actor. It is an informal phrase often used in casual conversations. Remember, somebody means somebody or person. The structure is simple. Drool over somebody. You cannot separate drool and over. For example, say he drools over his crush, not he drools his crush over. People often drool over celebrities, models, or crushes. It shows admiration, not actual saliva. You can say, fans drool over the new singer. This phrase has a playful tone. It is similar to fawn over, but fawn means to praise too much. You can use it in stories or everyday talk. Try to use it when you talk about someone you like or admire. Here's a quick example. I can't stop drooling over that actor. Practice using it with your friends. Thanks for watching and happy learning.